Quick reading for March the 19th to March the 20th. Aries, your cards are the Ten of Wands, the Two of Pentacles, and the Sovereign. Siguro napapansin mo ngayon na yung burden mo wala na, no? Kasi nakikita natin dito na parang feeling mo si person yung um, parang jinx sa'yo, no? Nagbigay ng um, problem, nagbigay ng hindi magandang experience, wala kang peace of mind, no? So ngayon parang okay ka na. Ngayon si person naman, nung nagkaroon kayo ng separation, siya naman yung parang baligtad. I think that your person here feels like na gusto ko nang bumalik, no? Sa'yo dahil parang siya naman yung nawala, naalis sa kanya yung kaayusan, no, ng buhay niya. I feel like ikaw kasi yung naga-guide, no, kay person para magkaroon siya ng mabuti at magandang daan. With the sovereign in here ngayon, napansin niya na ikaw naman yung okay. I don't know kung meron ditong energy vampire kind of na parang gusto niyang kunin yung energy mo, but I feel like nakikita niya na mas maayos ang buhay niya with you. So this is your quick reading for March the 19th to March the 20th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.